Good morning, guys. My name is Shiven Asthana. I am a second year law student from WIPS IP Delhi and an intern at Lexis and Company. Today, I'll be talking about the topic criminal conspiracy. So, an agreement between two or more persons to engage jointly in an unlawful or criminal act, or an act that is innocent in itself but becomes unlawful when done by the combination of actors. Conspiracy is governed by the statute in federal courts and most of the state courts. Before its codification in state and federal statutes, the crime of conspiracy was simply an agreement to engage in an unlawful act with the intent to carry out the act. Federal statutes and many state statutes now require not only agreement and intent but also the commission of an overt act in furtherance of the agreement. Conspiracy is a crime separate from the criminal act for which it is developed. For example, one who conspires with another to commit burglary and in fact commits the burglary and can be charged with both conspiracy to commit burglary and burglary. Conspiracy is an inchoate or preparatory crime. It is similar to solicitation in that both crimes are committed by manifesting an intent to engage in a criminal act. It differs from solicitation in that conspiracy requires an agreement between two or more persons, whereas solicitation can be committed by one person only. Conspiracy also resembles attempt. However, attempt, like solicitation, can be committed by a single person. On another level, the conspiracy requires less than attempt. A conspiracy may exist before a crime is actually attempted, whereas no attempt charge will succeed unless the requisite attempt is made. The law seeks to punish conspiracy as a substantive crime separate from the intended crime because when two or more persons agree to commit a crime, the potential for criminal activity increases, and as a result, the danger to the public increases. Therefore, the very act of an agreement with the criminal intent is considered sufficiently dangerous to warrant charging conspiracy as an offense separate from the intended crime. According to some criminal law experts, the concept of conspiracy is too elastic, and the allegation of conspiracy is used by the prosecutors as a superfluous criminal charge. Many criminal defense lawyers maintain that conspiracy is often expanded by beyond reasonable interpretations. In any case, prosecutors and criminal defense attorneys alike agree that conspiracy cases are usually amorphous and complex. Section 120A of the IPC defines conspiracy to mean that when two or more persons agree to do or cause to be done an illegal act or an act which is not illegal by illegal means, such an agreement is designated as criminal conspiracy. No agreement except an agreement to commit an offence shall amount to criminal conspiracy unless some act besides the agreement is done by one or more parties to such agreement in furtherance thereof. Section 120B of the IPC prescribes punishment for criminal conspiracy. It is not necessary that each conspirator must know all the details of the scheme, nor be a participant at every stage. It is necessary that they should agree for design or object of the conspiracy. Conspiracy is conceived as having three elements. First, agreement. Second, between two or more persons by whom the agreement is effected. Third, a criminal intent. Section 120B, which talks about the punishment of criminal conspiracy, it deals about the first statement, which is whoever is a party to criminal conspiracy to commit an offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life, or rigorous imprisonment for 2 years or upward, shall, where no express provision is made in this code for the punishment of such a conspiracy, be punished in the same manner as if he had abetted such offence. Second, whoever is a party to a criminal conspiracy other than a criminal conspiracy to commit an offence shall be punishable as aforesaid with imprisonment of either description for a term not exceeding 6 months or both, fine with both. I guess this was the topic about criminal conspiracy. I hope you are all clear. Thank you.